These are the butterflies that he closed today. We had a pretty strong thunderstorm during the time that I would normally release them. They're going towards the light on my phone. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Nothing like an extreme close-up. So I think I remember counting 27 when I was putting them in here. Sorry, I turned the flash off. There we go. A lot of these guys are migrators, meaning they will migrate to Mexico. Hold on, let me turn my flash off again. See if I can show you from a wider angle here without the enclosure falling. There we go. Now you can see just how many are actually in there. But I think that it's 27. I didn't write down on a piece of paper or tape like I normally do. I figured, oh, I'll remember, and guess what? I forgot. But I think it was 27. So hopefully the weather will cooperate and I'll be able to release these guys tomorrow.